Okay, and last class we discussed about how to open a binary file, how to read the data content from the file, how to write into the file that is in binary file, and basic operations we have seen. And afterwards we have seen how to search a data, how to search a record through record number or by record name. Okay, so these details also we have seen. For the example, this is a program. These programs and all practical program, definitely all the programs will come, okay, in the practical exams. Okay, they will give a questions in practical time, they will give the questions. Write a this data, write the students database, students name and their 5 marks and total, write into the binary file. Afterwards show the record based on the student name search. Okay, that is, we if we enter the name means particular student name means, then his name and his 5 marks, 5 subject marks as well as total marks want to display. So such type of questions may be asked. One example I'm saying, okay, likewise employee related, or else book, stock management, that is a book, we have seen the example, no, book name, author name, price, likewise the product related. Okay, so such type of questions will be asked in practical programs. Okay, not project, practical program, board practical programs. So these files and all, I already uploaded this file in our website. Okay, you can see it by clicking the material and chapter 5 folder, file handling. If you check means you can see the 2 PDF files. Okay, that you can refer it. All the programs, please execute it. Yesterday also I said the same thing. You should execute this program, then only you can get the proper knowledge about this program, how really the data is stored into the file, how we are retrieving it, how we are updating it. So these things and all, you will come to know it. Okay, you will get more clarity. Okay, so please do the practical work either in mobile or PC. I always recommended to use PC because we are completed the basics. Okay, so we are about to complete the basic. Now we are going for the SQL and all. And connectivity, if you are doing means in mobile, it won't that much effectively, we cannot do it. Okay, so definitely we should go for the PC, either desktop or laptop. Okay, you please ask your parents also now itself to buy an PC. Okay, it may be a notebook, that is a laptop or desktop. Okay, the minimal configuration, it should be a Windows 7. That is a minimum configuration you should use. Okay, or else if it is Windows 10 means that is better for Windows user, I'm saying. Okay, Linux and Mac, it is will be it is little difficult to install the there is MySQL in Mac system. Okay, in Apple system. And the Linux is also, to executing the code it will be little difficult, but installing is easy. Executing the code it will be difficult in Linux, that is Ubuntu and all. Okay, so better go with the Windows operating system, that will be fine for you. Okay, students, let me see one more of the example. Today we are going to see how to update your name in binary file. Last day, I mean last program, we have seen how to write the data into the file, how to search a data by its record number we have seen, and at last program we have seen by entering the name how to get the record number, that we have seen in the yesterday's class. Can you remember that? Can you recall that programs? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today we are going to see how to update your name. You can see, for example, already names are there. Okay. For example, I will say names, mobile number, name, mobile number, like this, we store the data. Suppose one of the student want to say that, sir, I want to change my mobile number. I want to update my mobile number. How to do it? Okay. For this purpose and all, this program will help you for you. Okay. Today we are going to see, already we typed the name. Okay, so how to change a name? It may be a spelling or spelling correction, we can do it, or else the instead of him we can add another name. Instead of his place we are adding another one name. So how to do it? Let me see the practical program. You can see this. Import OS. I already said what is why we are using this. Why we are importing the OS module means, in order to use the get size function. You can see get size is a function which is defined inside the OS module. Actually, the get size function is stored in path submodule. The path submodule is defined inside the OS module. Okay, you can see the pointer. Okay, so in order to get the size, we use the import. Okay, import OS module. So this you already know that by getting get size function, we can easily get the size of the record. Okay, we are printing it, and next you can come to see numrec. This also the last program we have seen. Okay, size, that is total size divided by size of each record. Size of each record is 20, so we will get the number. For example, for our case, we are getting 100. For example, size of file is 100, means number of record is 5. Let me come to this program. Okay, main core part of the program. With open, we are opening the file r plus b. That means what? Read and write. R plus b means read and write. We open the binary file. B is denoting binary. R plus means denoting read and write. Okay, this is the mode. Okay, and file handle we given F. Let you see old name equal to input enter name. So we got the name that we stored in old name. Okay, next line you can see old name equal to old name dot encode. We are encoded the received name, that again we are stored in the same name itself. Okay, now you can see new name equal to, we are getting the new name, and ln is a variable that stores the new name. Okay, new name length it is stored in the ln. Okay, next line you can see new name equal to new name plus 20. What is the 20? Size of record. Okay, instead of we can use 20, we can use the variable also. Size of record minus len of the new name. Okay, what is the len of new name? Suppose you can see this example. Sumit is a, we entered that is a old name. Okay, so instead of Sumit, we want to replace with Shikar. Have you understand? Hello students, could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
the old name is Sumit. Instead of Sumit, we need to replace the name. Okay, that is update the name, not replace. Update the name. Shikar. His name is Shikar. So we are entering that. What is the new name size? What is the length of new name?
7.
7. That is stored in ln, isn't it? You can see this. Ln equal to len of new name. Okay. So ln value is 7. You can see new name equal to new name plus 20 minus 7. What is 20 minus 7?
13.
13. Yeah. 13
13.
into, yeah, 13 into spaces. We are doing the replication, string replication. Okay. The space is a one character. That's what we are multiplying the space with 13. Okay. So new name already Shikar plus 13. What is the total size? 7 plus 30, 20.
20.
Okay, yeah, the 20 characters will be stored in new name. Okay, now new name equal to new name dot encode, because we are going to write into the file. That's what we are doing. We are encoding as it is in the binary format. Again we are storing the value in the same name, new name. Okay, position equal to 0, found equal to false we given. Let you see this next one. For I in range of numrec value is, for our case, number of record is 5. No, so 5 we given. Okay, so loop will execute 4 times, 0 to 4. Okay, seek function. What is the use of seek function? Can anyone explain? Yesterday we discussed much about the seek function. Can you say about it?
It will move the pointer from starting to the required point.
Yes, wherever the pointer will be there, the seek function will make the pointer to be available in our required position. Very good. Okay, nice said, Gautam. Okay, now you can see f dot seek of position. What is the position value now? What is the position value?
0.
0.
0, sir.
So we are keeping the pointer. Already the pointer will be in the starting position only. Once again, we are confirming it. Okay. So now we move the pointer to the starting position. Now you can see str equal to f dot read of 20. So first 20 character will be read. That is stored in str. Okay. Now you can see old name in str. What is old name? Sumit, isn't it? Sumit in str. It will check the first 20. Okay, Sumit is not the first record. No, I think it is a third record. I think so. Let me see. Okay, so first record it will check. It is not there. The condition is not there means, then what will happen? If condition is fails means position equal to position plus size of record. That is position already it was 0. 0 equal to 0 plus 20. So now position value is what? 20. No, have you understood? Have you understood? Yeah.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Again the loop will execute f dot seek of position. Now position value is 20, so it will set the pointer in the 20th position. 20th position, the pointer is waiting. Okay, then you can see str equal to read of 20. What is read of 20? Next 20 character, that is 21 to 40 character it will read. Suppose the name is found means, for example, let me take the Sumit is present in the second position means. If it is name is found means, what will happen? Old name in str. What is old name? What we enter? Sumit is the old name. You can see enter name we got no in the program. I'm highlighting one. You can see enter name where we stored old name. Have you got it?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Hari.
from that number column can explain, sir, due to network problem electron.
Hey, numrec is normal only, man. We have seen the
From
last program also.
from that loop, sir.
Okay, okay. Numrec is okay, no, for you?
No, sir, from
Numrec
that loop.
from the loop or from numrec equal to int of size?
Loop, sir, for I in range.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. For I in range of numrec. Numrec value is for what is numrec value in our case? Number of record is 5, no? So 5. Okay. So the loop will
Yes, sir.
execute 0 to 4. That is 5 times the loop will execute. F dot seek of position. What is the position value?
0, sir.
So it will be the pointer will be already it is in the first position. Anyhow, we are make the confirm the we keeping the pointer in the first position. That is the 0th position. Okay, before 1. Okay, then str equal to f dot read 20. So read 20 means what? From the 0 to 20. That is 1 to 20. 20 character will be read by using the read function that is stored in str. Correct? No? Harit, are you in the
Sir.
line? Yeah.
Ah,
Now
yes,
you
sir.
can, yes. Now you can see if old name in str. What is old name? Sumit we entered. SUMIT. Isn't it? That we
Yes,
entered.
sir.
No. Yeah. For example, that we entered. You can see Sumit in str. First record is suppose Sumit. If you are checking it. If it is not means condition is fail means what will happen? It won't go into the if condition. No. Body of the if condition
Sir.
execute. It goes to the next statement. What is the next statement? Position plus,
Position increment.
yeah, position plus equal to size of record. That is position equal to position plus size of record. 20 value will be increased to the position. Now what is the position value?
Sir.
What is the
One.
number? Hey, how one, man? Size of record is what? Size of record is a variable. No, you can see in the starting. Size of record equal to 20. Do you understand? You
Ah,
can
yes,
see,
sir.
yeah, let it come to this. So size of record we added before position value was 0. 0 plus 20,
20, sir.
yes, now position
20.
value is 20. Okay, the loop is not completed. If the loop is completed only, let me go to the if condition. Okay, so again the loop will be incremented. Now I value is 1. Before it was 0. Numrec is 0 to 4, it will execute. Na? So first 0
Yes,
is
sir.
assigned. Now 1 is assigned. Suppose let you check if seek dot position, that is f dot seek of position is what? 20. So what will happen? The seek function keeps the pointer to be at the 20th position, right? No? Have you understood?
Sir, understand.
Yeah. Next you can see str equal to f dot read of 20. Then means what? Next 20 character it will read. Already the pointer in the 20th position. No. So read 20 means what will happen? 21, 22, 23. Likewise 40 characters. 21 to 40 characters. That character 20 that 20 character it will read. That is stored in str. Again it will check whether Sumit is in this string. Sorry, in the str it will check it. Okay, suppose likewise the loop will execute. Suppose the required name is found. If the old name is in the str means what will happen? Did you see print equal to update record comma I plus 1. I value is there, no? So now I value is 1, no? Suppose 1 plus 1 2 will be printed because the record value number will start from 1 only. 1 onwards it is started. Okay, from index is 0 2. The loop will execute means 0 only it will start. No, that's what we are adding I plus 1. Okay, found equal to true. Before found is a variable, that's value is false. Now found equal to true. Why we are making the changes? Last program also we have seen. Gautam also has the doubt. Okay, once again I will tell it. Okay, now we are changing the found value. Now you can see it's a very important thing. F dot seek of minus 20. Okay, comma 1. What is the meaning of 1 means? We are keeping the cursor in that place and we are writing it. We are that is we are about to write. The pointer is ready to write. 1 means we are writing in it. Okay, have you understand? Because we open the file in which mode? Read plus write. That is R plus mode we open. No, It already read the data. Now what is the thing? If the pointer is minus 20 means what will happen? Actually, it will goes minus 20. Reverse side it will goes. That's what we are mentioning 1. It is a default value. If it is travel in minus means reverse side means 1. If it is in the current position means 0. Okay. If it is plus, it is going forward means 2. That is the reason. Have you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah, now I will tell that. Now, where
Yes,
is
sir.
the pointer? Where is the pointer? Can you say?
20 bytes before from the initial position.
No, now what is the actually before now found equal to true? No. Okay, where the pointer is after the found is actually pointer value, actually position value is 20. Again, what we done? Str equal to what we done?
0,
FR,
sir. Position
Updated.
value.
no ma, how it is 0 pa? We
40, sir.
updated, yes, correct.
Updated 20, sir.
Yes, updated 20. Previously, first for loop, first time the execution of the for loop, the position will be updated from 0 to 20. Next time, what is happening? Str equal to, we read again the second 20 characters. So that's what, where is the pointer means it is in the 40th position. Okay. Now, let you come to this one. Minus 20 means what will happen? The pointer will travel in
20th position.
Yes, very good. The pointer will be travels towards the negative side. That is in the reverse side. Negative side means reverse side. Okay. So previous 20 20 characters, if you want to travel in reverse means, as Gautam said, the pointer will be now in the 20th position. Correct, no? So after 20,
Yes,
the
sir.
pointer will be there. Have you understood, Harit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go.
Sir,
Now,
what does that 1 indicate, sir?
yeah, that's what I said. No, 1 means it is a indicate the pointer is moved towards the reverse side. I mean the backward side. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, that's what. Now you can see f
Sir.
dot. Yes. Yes.
Sir, if minus 20 comma 0 means what, sir?
No, we cannot give. We cannot give minus 20 comma 0. 0 is denoting the we can pass the 0. We may not pass the 0 also. What is it? 0 means it is the current position. 0 means current position. 1 means it is traveling. The pointer is we are asking to move the pointer. Travel means in the sense of we are moving the pointer in reverse side. Have you understood, Pa?
Sir, then reverse side means y minus 20, sir.
I will tell that. For example, where is the now pointer is 40? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before I'm saying no pointer is in the, because 20 we updated the things. Second we read again 20 characters. That's what after read the pointer will be placed, or it will be in the position of 40th. After 40th position the pointer will be blink. Okay. So now we are asking we are giving the command minus 20 comma 1 means the 1 is indicating it is already predefined. Okay. 1 means is any argument, and it is default argument. I mean default means the sense of it is the 1 means already it is defined the meaning for 1 in the function. Okay. 1 means the pointer is moving towards the reverse side. Okay. How it want to move means minus 20 character we are asking. Minus 20. So already pointer position is what? 40. So 40 minus 20 it will reverse means what will happen? It will goes to the 20th. After 20th position the pointer will be there. Have you understand? Have you understood? But merely I will tell that f dot seek of only one argument if we pass means, for example, f dot seek of position. That means what? In which position we are asking, that position the pointer will be moves. Correct, no? That's value is 0. That is actually yes. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, man.
for me audio is tracking, sir.
Oh, okay. For everyone, is it audio is okay, no? For
Sir,
rest of
some
Yes, sir.
some
Okay,
beep
sir.
sound is coming.
Yes, sir.
you know,
Sir,
is it okay? No? Is it okay?
sir, shall I left and join, sir?
No, it is audible. Now is it okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, now okay, sir, but while teaching for me audio is tracking, sir.
Oh. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute is about to complete it. You be there. If you have the stuck again means you can left and join it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, pa. Okay, students. I will tell again. Have you understand that why it is minus 20? So we are,
Yes, sir.
yeah, we are traveling towards the reverse side. So the pointer will be minus 20 means 40 minus 20, it will goes reverse side from the current position to reverse 20. So it will goes reverse 20. That's what is the thing. The pointer will be placed at after 20 or before 21. In between the 20 and 21, the cursor will be there. There is a file pointer will be there. Now you can see f dot right of new name. What is new name? You can see this new name we got. We enter the new name, that is Shikar. Shikar is a new name, no? So new name we got, that we added the spaces also, that is extra characters also we add. Then what is the thing? We encoded also. Now Shikar will be in the encoded form that we are writing into the binary file. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Shikar and 13 spaces.
Yeah, Shikar and 13 spaces. It will be added. It will be returned into the file. It will is right in the file. Now question will be again. What is the thing? Yes. Yes.
Sir, if you want to move the cursor 20 steps forward means f dot seek of what to write, sir?
No, forward means we can directly, now you are saying that from current position next you can directly mention the 40. I understood your question. For example, backward means we can directly give the 20 like this you are saying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to move the forward, if you want to move the cursor towards the forward position means we can directly give the name, that is you can see I will show in the pointer. For example, 20, normal 20, not minus 1. Okay, 20 comma 2 you have to give. 20 comma 2 is denoting it is moving towards forward. Have you understood?
1 is backward, 2 is forward, sir.
Yes. 0 means current position. If you want to set in the current position, it is the 0 is default value. You can see the, I will selecting one file. You can see this f dot seek of position. Actually, we can give 0. We may omit also too. What will happen? Directly it will take to the current position. I mean, which position we mentioned, it will set the pointer. Now what is here? Minus 20 means it will set the pointer of, that is before previous 20 characters. Have you understood, Gautam?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Let me come to this now. Position equal to, now what is the position value? What is the position value?
20, sir.
20 it was. Yes. 20 plus equal to what is the thing? Size of record. That's again we are adding 20. So now position value will be 40. Again loop will execute. Seek dot position of 40. We are keeping the cursor to be, I mean the file pointer to be at the 40 position. Again it will read the rest of the names. Likewise it will read all the names, because many Sumit may be there. One Sumit and second Sumit also may be there with two names. Yesterday we discussed about that two names are found means. Have you understand my point? What I'm coming to tell?
Sir,
Are you understanding?
sir,
Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
sir, if we update the value, then the old name will also be there, no, sir, in the
Yes.
next name.
I didn't understand. I didn't get your question, ma'am.
No, sir, old name is there, sir. Then we changed the cursor position, and again we are updating the number. So
Yes.
the next line will be old name, no, sir.
No. I will tell that. I think I will explain you, but I didn't properly understand your question. Later I will explain. Whether if your doubt is there means you can understand. For example, old name was Sumit. No, right? We are moving the reverse 20. What will happen? The cursor will move in the reverse direction. Again, we are writing the new name. The old name will be
The old
removed.
name will be deleted, sir.
Yes. The old name will
Yes,
be
sir.
deleted.
Understood, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Okay, likewise, the for loop will execute for searching the another name. If another Sumit is there means again it will replace with the Shikar. Okay, it will update the new name. Okay, if there is no name such as Sumit is not there means let me come to this one. Okay, position value will be increased. At last the position will be goes to the last place. Okay, then you can see this. If not, suppose finally if it is not found means not found. What is the found value? Once it is found means the found value will be changed
sir.
as true. Yeah, suppose the Sumit is found, correct. Okay, Sumit is found, that's what the found value is, what? True. Okay, if not true, if it is false means, not true means what?
False.
That's what. Not false means
Name not found.
True, sir.
Yeah, that's what we want to think in opposite way, because we are using the not operator. That's what we want to think in opposite way. Okay, if not true means that is false. If it is false means we didn't find the value means what will happen? Print the name not found. I mean, suppose we entered the another name means the name is not found. Likewise, it will print the message. Now, have you understood the how to update a record from in the binary file? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, it is fine. Okay, like you can see, you can show the file also. The previous, the pointer will be goes forward and backward. Okay, in the reverse side means. Okay, so likewise you can work out this program, then you can get the more clarity also too. Okay, you just today started to do the work. I will already posted this file in our website. You can start to update it. Okay, let you see the next one. And delete a name. How to delete a name from a binary file? Previous thing we have seen update. Now we are going to see delete a name. Okay, let you see this. Can anyone explain? It is easy, little bit easy also. Can anyone ready to explain this program?
Sir,
Yes, Gautam. Can you do it?
like the previous program, with the help of that record, we have to find a name with the same logic likewise in previous program, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to use the function to delete the name.
Yes. Can you explain it better? I will maximize it. Is it okay? Can you explain? You can do, man.
Sir, better means house.
No, you that is better means from the starting onwards. Can you explain the program? Explain the program means from starting onwards.
Sir, first we have, by using the import module, we have
Okay.
to read the size of that file,
Okay.
and the numeric value should be get by using that formula, sir.
Okay. So still that I mean to your friends, I am saying your friends. I mean your students till the print function, print number of records. I am showing the cursor. Till that you understood now. The same point we discussed in the past 3 programs also. Have you discussed till the marked one? Hello. Okay. I think many of them having doubt. I think so, or else I don't know. Okay, we import OS module in order to use the file, use the function getSize function. Okay, I already said the getSize function is defined in the OS module. That's what we imported. Okay, size of record, that's a variable. Its value is 20. Okay, size is a variable that gets the size of the file. Names.date, that is a data file. Okay, so DAT file, that size we are storing in it. Okay, then again we printed it, and numRec equal to int of size, that is size means total size, divided by size of record, divided by 20. We are getting the floating value that we are converting into integer data type, that we stored into the variable numRec. Okay, then afterwards we are printing the number of record equal to numRec value we printed. Now Gautam, can you say this one? What is this F1 and F2?
Then we are opening 2 files, F1 and F2. One in
Very good.
both are binary files. One in read mode, other one is write mode, sir.
Super. F1 is the file object to open a file, names.date, and its mode is read mode.
Read mode.
Yeah, F2 is a file object to open the file. Which file?
Write mode. Names to file in write mode.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Next line you can explain.
Then we are getting the name, sir. The name to be deleted, and we are finding the length of the name,
So that
and we are creating the name with the spaces.
Yes.
And encode that name, sir.
Yes. So we got the name in NM, that we found the length. Afterwards, we are adding the number of spaces in order to make the record to be in 20 length. Then we are encoding the name. Okay, name with spaces, that the empty characters also we are encoding. That's we are storing in mn, the variable. Okay, I think it's about to complete. Please rejoin it again. And we will discuss this program, and now we are going into the core part of the binary file. Okay, so far we discussing about the basic things. Next class, I mean this next session, we are going to join. Okay, yes. Okay, let me continue this this same program. Yeah, Gautam, you can go ahead. We encoded the new name, that is the name to be deleted. NM we encoded. Afterwards, please go ahead.
After that, initially position is 0, but we are assuming position is equal to 0, sir.
Yes.
Then found is equal to false. We are initially assuming. Then
Only
entering
one,
into the loop.
yeah, one interruption only. Actually, in this program, this statement is not required. Okay, please avoid students this statement alone. Yes, please go ahead. For yes, for loop.
For I in range numrec, we already get the numrec, sir, 100 by 25.
Okay. Yes.
Then we are reading the size of rec. If str is not equal to then the given name is not in that str.
Size of rec is 20, no. So F1 will read the file. Which file is assigned for F1? Names file. Isn't it? So from the names file, it will read the first 20 character. Is it? Because position is 0, no? Is it, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Proceed. That is stored in str. Next line. If condition.
Then it will see whether in the first 20 bytes whether the given name is there. If the name is not equal to the given name, then write str. That statement not understand.
Okay, I will explain it. Very good. Nicely you said. For example, you can see str is a variable. It will read the first 20 character from names.date. That is F1 is a file handle for names.date. Okay, that is our file which contains the
Sir,
data. Yes.
whether names2 is an empty file.
Yeah, it is the empty file we created for open. We are opening in write mode. No. If already it contains some data also, what will happen? If we start to write means
it will be erased.
Previous data will be erased. It will be like a new file, fresh file. Okay. Did you see this? You can see
In if statement, we are writing which are the name not equal and we are copying it to F2.
Correct. Exactly. That is a concept. You can see str we read the 20 characters. The 20 character whether it is equal to the nm. What is nm? The searchable character, the deletable character. Okay. So for example, I entered Sumit means Sumit plus Sumit is 5-letter character, no. So Sumit plus 15 character we added. NM plus size of record minus L, that you know that. Okay, we added 15 characters. Then we encoded also. Okay, str already it is in the encoded form only because we didn't decode it. Str is what? We are reading the data 20 characters from the binary file. So that's what already the data will be in the binary format only. So the number new nm value also, nm is a name. Okay, the name which we want to delete it, that is also in the binary file only. Okay, because we encoded. So whether it is in equal to, not is, we are not using in operator, we are using what? Equal. Actually it is double equal to. Okay, sorry, not double equal to, single equal to, not equal to. Okay, str not equal to, what is str? First character, I mean first record 20 characters. Whether not equal to new deletable name, not equal to deletable name means what will happen? F2 dot write of str. What is F2? It is another file name is names2. Okay, we are writing the
in that empty file first name will be printed.
Exactly, the first record will be get written. It is written into the empty file, that is names2. Okay, likewise the loop will be executed till all the records. Suppose it found the third record is our deletable name. If it is not equal to means condition false means what will happen? It won't write. Instead of what will happen? What will happen? Suppose the loop
that it's going for search for another 20 bytes.
Yeah, another 20. Correct, exactly. It will till the range will be executed till the end of the record. If it is not equal to the deletable name means it will write. If it is equal to deletable name means it won't write. Okay, now you can see print message we are just writing record deleted. Okay, now only the real operation is doing. That's what I'm coming to tell. F dot we are closing this file. We F2 dot close. We close the two files also. Now we are about to use the two new functions, remove and rename function. These functions and
one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, instead of close we can use flush function, no sir?
No, that is you mistaken. Flush function is what it is using. What is the use of flush function?
by using the flush function, if we write one name means that also print in that file.
Correct, ma. That is, the flush function will send the data to store in the file. Correct, no? It will make the
Yes, sir.
data to be stored into the file. Correct. But it is not closing the file, no. We should close the file, no.
Okay,
It is
sir.
not optional. It is mandatory to you to close the file, even if you are using the flush function or not. But we should close the file. Okay. So suppose we are using the close file means. Suppose we closed the file means what will happen? The close function will automatically calls the flush function. Okay. We don't have that work. Suppose we are opening the file in with statement, with open. Likewise, we open no, another method we have seen, no. If you are using
Yes,
the
sir.
with statement means it is optional. We no need to close the file, because the with statement itself what will do? Automatically calls the close function. The close function what will do?
Two
It
times
will
we can't use.
sir, yes.
2 times we can't use with function, sir.
Why not? We can open it. We can do it. But what is the thing here? Why we didn't use the with statement means actually what is the format of with statement? With statement is a block of statement. No.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? So we are doing the two
With to
operations.
open of file name.
That is correct, ma. That you understand that with open of file name, comma, the mode colon. Then inside that we have to write the code. No, suppose we are writing inside the code means we are opening two files. F1 file also we are using it. F2 file also we are using it. No, have you understand? Inside the block of statement, it is a little difficult to use the two functions. We can use, but it is a little complex. Okay, so that's what we are opening the normal method. We are assigning the file object. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me come to the thing. Remove function and rename function. These two functions are defined in OS module. Suddenly they may ask the question, where the remove function is defined? They will ask it. Okay, so you have to mention the fill in the blanks questions types in board exam. Such type of questions might be asked. Okay, remove function is defined in which module? Okay, the question might be asked in 1 mark or half mark. Okay, so you have to note down it is defined in the OS module. Let me see. os.remove of names.deity. That is the original file. It will remove. Remove means it will delete the file. Okay, then what will happen? Next line, that is the real operation. You can see os.rename. Rename means it will give the rename for the file. Okay, that is the old name, comma, new name. Old name is what? Already names2.date. Okay, that name only we return the all the names except the deletable name.
Instead of names to names will be written.
Yeah, we are renaming that. We are renaming the file, that is names.dat. Okay, so now we are giving the new name. Okay, that's what we removed it. Suppose this this line if we didn't use means what will happen? Two files with the same name, it is not possible. No, have you understood? So that's what it will create the confusion. So that's what we deleted we removed the original file, and the duplicate file we are renaming into the original file name. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Darshan, raise your hands. Yes. Darshan is here. He is not there, I think so. Yes, Gautam, you are about to say something.
Sir, instead of using that last two function, we can name the file as names.old batch, names2.new batch, like that. No?
Yeah, yeah.
Both
Okay.
files we can have.
Both the files also. That is with the deletable name, and after deleting the after without that name, we can keep the two files also. Not an issue. But in this program, they deleted the old file. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, we can do all that that time also. Not an issue. We can keep the two files also, original file as well as the new file also. Okay, okay, fine. Have you understood this one? This program, have you understood?
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
this is
understood,
the
sir.
last concept we are going to see in the basic binary. Okay, I already said to you, you can remember that while I'm started to teach, Harith asked one beautiful question. Okay, sir, you said that whether we are writing anything in the binary file, it will be written in the encrypted mode, sir. I mean the symbols and some other thing, but it is showing in the normal one, even sir, like this he asked. That time I replied to him, to everybody also, that is, We are not dealing with the core part of the binary file. These are all basic files, basic operations in the binary file. Okay, so this is the basic thing we have dealt. Hereafter we are going into the core part of the binary file. Okay, that is a very important thing also too. So what are the basic things we have seen? Just a recap: how to read the data from the binary file, how to write into the file, how to search a record, okay, by the 2020 spaces that we learned now. Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
So what is the use
Yes,
of the allotting the file size also you can understand, in order to access it, in order to delete, in order to update, in order to replace, that is we can search it. That also it is very easy to use the file size. Keeping the file size is 20 or whatever size also not an issue. Okay, so that is very easy for us. Okay, let you come to this. These operations we have done with the program also. Now we are going into the core part of that, how to use the binary file in encrypted mode. Let you see this. 1 minute, I will open the another slide for you. Okay, now you can see we have to use further, in order to use the pickle module. Pickle is a module. Okay, P-I-C-K-L-E. Okay, by using, what is the use of this module means, let you see, I will read it. If we want to write a structure like such as a list or dictionary to a file and read it subsequently, we want to read the data also, we should use what? Pickle module. So far we didn't use list, we didn't use dictionary concepts in the file handling.
Sir,
Even in the text file also too. Yes, please.
sir, the
Yes.
doubt in the test notes. Test question.
Yeah. Okay, I will complete this. I will open it. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
pickle module is used to use the list and dictionary type of concepts in the pickle module. Okay, two things only. Afterwards, I will go for the doubt section. Okay. So pickling, what is the pickling function process? It is the process of converting the structure to byte stream. What is structure? List or dictionary as called as structure. Have you understood? Okay, this is called structure. So structure, that is the original data type into byte stream. Byte stream means binary formats. Okay, that process is called as pickling. Okay, unpickling means in reverse action. That is binary format. That is byte streams to dictionary or list, or the structured thing. That is called what? Unpickling. That is bringing back to the original format. That is byte stream to the original format. Have you understand these concepts? What is pickle module? What is pickling? What is unpickling? Have you clarified? Have you clarified? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is we will complete it, and let me open the test file. 1 minute.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Some doubts you
this
asked.
pickle function can be.
Pickle is not function, it's a module.
Okay, sir.
It's a module. Inside we have to use we will going to use two functions, dump function and load function. Okay, dump function means a write function we use in text file, write lines, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So likewise we are about to open we want to write into the binary file, means we should use dump. Okay, if you want to read lines, this function, instead of that we are about to use load function. Okay, this is a test now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute, let it open. Yes, Pa, what is your doubt? Shall I go for the first one onwards? It will be loading. Okay, that's what the image will get loaded. It's not yet loaded. Yeah. Is it okay?
That my inner, this one, no, sir. Inside that my inner function.
Yeah, yes.
Below print statement 2.
That you are having the doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
I will explain it. For example, D is a dictionary. We are passing the dictionary to D is now loaded into D1, right? So D2 is another dictionary. It is a local dictionary. We are updating it. Now, what is the D2 value? 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, right?
D1 values.
D2 value I'm saying. Oh, sorry. D1 value is updated. D2 value is what? I will go for from order onwards, in order to other people will understand. What is the print statement? 5 will print D2.
4, 5, sir.
Yeah, 4, 4, I mean 4, 5. This dictionary it will print. D1 is what will print?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The entire dictionary because we updated. Then you can see we are using the nested function. Okay. Def my inner function D3. What is D3? We have to search the where the call statement for this function. Where we are calling the my inner function here. Can you understand? The call statement is present inside the my function. Have you understand? We are making the call
So this
statement. We are passing D1. What is D1? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We pass
Okay,
it
sir.
as a
Okay, sir.
D3.
I
Yeah.
thought that my inner function is inside that definition of my inner function.
You can see where is the my inner. You can see this. It is defined. The call statement is
Like
made.
recursion function, I thought, sir.
No, no. Recursion now it is deleted. Now I won't ask any question. Okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, understood. It is not recursion. Okay. Have you understand? No, now D1
Yes,
is
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we are doing? D3 of 6 equal to 6
Updating.
we added. Okay, we are, yeah, of course, we are updating the value. Now D3 is a local dictionary. Okay, now D3 contains what? 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2, 3,
6.
4, 5.
Yeah, D2 dot clear. What will happen? D2 is a
Empty
local
dictionary.
function. No, already D2 is contain 4 and 5. No.
No, sir. After clearing empty.
No, after clearing empty, after clear function, D2 will be empty. But we are asking to print the D3. What will print? 1, 2, 3,
Empty
4,
dictionary.
5.
Okay, sir.
D3. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
sir.
6 also will printed. Okay. Now again we are asking to print D2. What is D2?
Empty dictionary.
Very good. Empty dictionary because we done the clear D2 dot clear. Okay. Now that the function will be over, then we come to the after the print statement. We are asking to print the D. What will get print? What is the print statement 1? 1, 2, 3. That's only, na? It is global only, no?
Yes, sir.
But we
Yes, sir.
updated. Even it is a mutable, no? That's what is the thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's we updated, no? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah, what is the output for this? Answer is 4 and 5 for print fifth statement. What is our statement? Print statement 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we updated. D3 is. Have you understood? Print
Yes,
statement
sir.
is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Gautam, you asked another doubt. Can you ask it? Hello?
Sir, no, sir.
Sir, little bit go down, sir.
This one, huh?
No, sir.
Okay.
Using global function.
Yeah, you asked for such things. Please see this one, huh? This globally.
No, sir.
Okay. Where, man?
X is equal to 500.
This one, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see x equal to 500. We are calling the function, my function. Okay, so we didn't
No,
pass
sir.
any.
Below this, sir.
Another one, this one,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Let me see. Same thing. We are calling the function x equal to 300. It is a local function. Sorry, local variable. Have you understand? X equal to 300
Yes,
is a
sir.
local variable. You can see my inner function global x. What is global x value? 500. No.
500.
Yeah. Then print to x means 500 will print. Have you understand?
Sir, by using global as function, we can make the global, sir.
I didn't understand.
We can make it at some variable global only, no, sir. After global h, if we write h is equal to 300, it will be converted into global, no, sir.
No, I didn't understand your question, Pa. Can you say it again?
Global h means what it will do, sir?
It will refer the global x value. What is the global x value? 500. No.
If I read simply global, below that h is equal to 300 means it will convert h as global values.
Sorry, I didn't get your question properly. What is it? Global. Then you didn't mention the variable. Yeah.
Global of h, sir.
Global x. Okay. Global
below
of
that I am right. Global h.
Okay.
Below that I am writing x is equal to 300.
X equal to 300 means it will make the changes over this variable. Actually, x value was 500. No, now we are making changes over this global variable. Before it was 500. Now if you give x equal to 300 means that 300 will be reassigned to this x value only. I'm showing the pointer, no? This x value only. Have you understand, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Why, man? What's the doubt?
Understood, sir.
Okay. That's all, no? This is all you
Yes,
have.
sir.
Okay. I think that's the question. That's all. Okay, fine. Okay, students, it's time to complete it. Okay, very nice to see you all. Please complete the project also very quick. Okay, bye. Bye.